This video is to demonstrate how to interlink two smoke detectors so that if one smoke detector sounds in the property, then the second smoke will also sound, giving the person the best chance of getting out. So the first step is to remove the bottom, the bracket, the mounting bracket from both smoke detectors. The second step is to turn on the radio board. So every smoke detector has an on-off switch to the transmitter. So I hold down the side button, and then at the same time, while I'm still holding down the side button, turn on the radio board, and I'll get a red flashing light. Now that red flashing light will flash up to 60 seconds, which means that I can pair any other smoke detectors to it up to 60 seconds. So I'm just going to move this further away. So on my second smoke detector, which I'm going to pair, I simply just turn it on without holding down the side button. And I'll just get one quick flash, which indicates a confirmation that it's paired successfully. So I can now connect the top bits back to my smoke detector. So I can connect the cable. And close the first one, which is my master. And then connect the cable for my second smoke detector. And then close that one. And to show confirmation that they have been interlinked, on the master smoke detector you just press the side button once and it will flash once to indicate that it's the first one in the group. One flash. And then on my second smoke detector, if I press the side button once, it will flash twice to indicate that it's second in the pairing group. 1, 2. Now I can pair both smoke detectors to my ELISA S alarm unit. Hold down the green button until I hear a beep. Press the first one. And then to pair my second smoke detector. And to raise a test call through to the alarm receiving centre, wait 2 minutes before raising the test call. And to raise the test call, press the top test button 3 times. One, 2,
smoke alarm. Hiya.
Hello, is that come through as a smoke detector?
It sure has.
Thank you very much, I'm only testing.
Lovely. Thanks, Wayne. Bye.
Bye. And when you raise the test call, just on the test call it only activates one smoke detector, but in the real world, if there is a fire, then both smoke detectors will sound at the same time. The installation is now complete. However, I would like to show how to default the smoke detectors back to factory settings, to ungroup them if you like. You take the lid off both of them, and you hold down the side button for 4 seconds, just until the red light comes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let go. And then fast 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it indicates that the default reset has been done by flashing 6 times as well. And then just turn your radio board off. I'll do that on the second smoke detector as well. Open it up. Hold down the side button until I get the red light. Let go, and then 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it'll flash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can turn that one off as well. So both smoke detectors are now back to factory settings, and the radio boards have been turned off.